Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna be working on core. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us, all body weight. Just grab your yoga mat. Before we get started, don't forget to get the November calendar in the description box down below, and let's get started. Starting off, we're going to be doing bridge knee tucks. So starting down on the mat just like this, arms are up, body's off the ground, and we're going to be bringing our knee up to our hands. So keep your core nice and tight, back is flat, 3 sets of 15. Let's get started. Great job. 10-second rest. All right, set 2. Great job. 10-second break.
And hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess, so I sat quietly, agreed politely.
Last 15. Let's get it, guys.
I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound, like thunder gonna shake your ground. You held me down, but I got up, get ready 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger. I got the eye of the tiger.
20-second break. We're gonna do dead bugs after this. Legs are up, arms are up, just like this. Extend, 1 out and 1 back in. 3 sets of 20. Whenever you're ready after this break. Alrighty, let's get it, guys. Good job. 10-second break.
I went from 0 to my own hero. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. Held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound, like thunder gonna shake your ground. You held me down, but I got up, get ready 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, fire, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, they never hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, they never hear me roar.
Perfect. Good job. Give yourself a 20-second rest. While you guys are resting, I'm going to show you this next exercise. We're going to be doing scissor kicks, leaning scissor kicks. So leaning back just like this, Legs are up, and we're gonna just boom, 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 boom. Ooh, that's a good one. Keep your core engaged. 3 sets of 20. Lean back on your arms. Point your toes.
We work too damn hard for this, just to give it up now. If you don't swim, you'll drown. Don't move, honey. Look so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear. And
10-second break.
that I'm so down. Your lipstick stain is a work of art. I got your name tattooed. And I know now that I'm so down. 'Cause this deadbeat town's only here just to keep us down. While I was out, I found myself alone, just thinking I showed up with a plane ticket and a shiny diamond ring with your name on it.
Good job, guys. 20-second rest. For this last exercise, we're gonna sit up nice and tall. Hands are gonna come behind our head, balancing. Boom, just like this, and extend. So we're gonna be doing crossbody crunches on a balance. 3 sets of 15. Let's get this last exercise. Hands are up, legs are hovering, back straight, engage that core. 15. Ten-second rest. All right, set 2. Great job. 10-second break. 15 more. The slower you go, the better it is. You can feel all of your muscles shaking, keeping your core engaged. Last 15, you guys. Let's get it.
She was sitting all alone over on the tailgate, tan legs swinging by a Georgia plate. I was looking for her boyfriend, thinking no.
Good job. Good job. That's the workout for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this core routine. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget, get the November calendar down below in the description box. And check out this next video right here on glutes and booty. I'll see you guys there. Bye.
This is my song, I've been listening to the radio.